So in this video, I'm going to show you how to download VMware Workstation Pro or VMware Fusion from the official website. I personally use VMware Workstation a lot to test applications before installing them on my main system. Currently, I'm using the 25H2U1 build of VMware Workstation Pro, which is completely free for personal use. I'm making this video because the current download process is a bit complex, since VMware is now owned by Broadcom, and this video will guide you through getting the application from Broadcom's website. First, open up your browser and search for VMware Workstation Pro download. Visit the official website at vmware.com. On the official site, you will see download links for both VMware Fusion and Workstation. Click on any one of the download links and it will take you to the Broadcom login page. Assuming you don't have an account on Broadcom yet, I'll show you how to register and get the official download links. For this video, I'm going to use a temporary email address to demonstrate everything you need to know. But keep in mind, if you want a permanent account, you should use your real email address. On the registration page, you can enter any random details to protect your privacy. It really doesn't matter what you put in here since they are not going to verify this information anyway. Finally, choose a strong password and create your account. Next, use the login option to sign in with the email and password you just created. Use your email address as your username. Once you are logged into the Broadcom website, head back over to vmware.com where we started this video. At this point, you can click on any of the download links, but they will basically all lead to the same page. Now, on this page, you will see a free software download link, and if you click on that, you will find all the VMware software that you can download for free. From here, find VMware Workstation Pro and access the download links available for Windows and Linux. For this video, I'm going to download the latest 26H1 build for Windows. Now, just follow the on-screen steps to get it downloaded. If your account is brand new, you may need to verify some additional information, but you still don't have to use real details. Put in whatever you want and move on. And that's it! VMware Workstation Pro is now downloading. If you're on a Mac and need VMware Fusion, just follow the exact same steps from this page. Find VMware Fusion and go for the download. The process is identical to VMware Workstation Pro. Alright guys, that's all for this video. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe. We are very close to 10,000 subscribers, so your support means a lot. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.